Good morning, y'all. So, I haven't did a CNA video in about a month. The month of February. Y'all know I'm at work. Y'all know how I go. CNA Life. I got the camera holding the camera up because light in the back is everything. So, I haven't did a CNA video. I haven't did a CNA video in probably about a month. So much been going on, y'all. I literally can't stop yarning in these videos, y'all. I tried my best, but I can't. I don't know what it is about it. I continue to do these yarning, but however, I have not did a video in a month. The last video I did on CNA, I told y'all how I got fired from one job and thought I got fired at one job and then got fired at the other job, and how I made a post on Facebook saying I wasn't gonna work a lot as a CNA. All of this stuff, I did it in a video about a month ago. Listen, y'all. If y'all are CNA, can y'all please comment in the comment in this video? Do y'all get sleepy? Do y'all yarn over and over at night when y'all at work? Let me know. Am I just crazy or something is wrong? Or this is my me being nervous or something. I don't understand it. But anyway. So I said I will work less as a CNA. I came to give y'all an update on what's been going on with my CNA life. My CNA life, y'all, is basically non-existent, seem like right now. This month, I probably worked all of... This month of February, I worked maybe all of 5 days. And I'm so serious, y'all. I worked 5 days. All of my bills is paid. Literally, all of them. All my bills is paid. So much is happening, y'all. My business is going good. I sold a lot of books this month. Y'all know I got 5 books. They all on Amazon. I'm dropping all this in the description. My books are on Amazon, and I sell them myself. I autograph them and I ship them out. It's been going great. And not only that, I've been doing a lot of workshops through YouTube. A lot of people have been reaching out to me for our workshops. Amazing. I just want to thank everybody for all the love and support. This month has been amazing for me. It's been a blessing. I really enjoy being a CNA. I love being a CNA. I'm going to be a CNA to the day I die. But I just know that there's more for me to be doing. And I've been at home working a couple of hours a day. And, oh, God, this yard, and I'm so sleepy. I got 3 hours of sleep. No, I got 2 hours of sleep before work, so I know I'm sleepy. And I keep crying. Look, I'm literally crying, y'all. It's crazy, right? So, tell y'all what's going on. I actually came to work tonight, made sure all my patients was fine, and I wrote out me a business plan. I don't want to do CNA work the way I've been doing it. I've been working double shifts. I created a life for myself off of the income that I've been making, as far as double shifts and all of that. And I made some good money as a CNA, and it's good. It's good. But I just know it's something else I want to do. It's some other stuff I want to do. You know what I mean? I have 4 strands of income right now, and I literally wrote them all down. And I wrote out a business plan for myself on how to be able to end this year with my goal of being debt-free, of all of my debt wiped out. And I don't have a lot of it. I want my debt to be, my credit score to be at a nice number. And I want to be positioning myself to buy me a house December the 31st. And I wrote me a business plan around that. And I also have a couple of other goals that I want to achieve too. And I basically wrote it out: how many hours I would have to work as a CNA, how many books I would have to sell, how many workshops I would have to do a month. And I started a cleaning business, y'all. Let me tell y'all about that for a hot second. A good friend of mine, she asked me to come and work with her, right? She has a cleaning business on the north side of Chicago. Awesome. And I went and worked with her like 2 or 3 days, and I'm like, oh my God, I can do this. in Indiana. And she was like, all you got to do is do this, 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 that, and another. And I actually went and did it. And I made a page, and like 2 hours later, somebody hit me up to clean. And I literally started the business just like that. Never thought of, actually, I thought about this because my brother told me that he wanted to do it, and I was going to help him do it. But he wanted to do it in a different way than what I've learned in the last month. And we talked about it, and we supposed had got together to talk more about it, but we never did. But when I met with this lady, it just happened really fast, and I started the business. It's crazy. Like, I literally wrote down how many clients I would have to get per month to be able to end the month with my goals. And I decided to make this video because today is March the 1st. So that means we got April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. We got 9 months left. So in 9 months, I have a goal to reach, and I wanted to make this video so that I can go back and look at the video to see how far I've come. I'm going to do a 3-month check-in, and then I'll do a 6-month check-in, and then I'll do a 9-month check-in. I'm going to do these videos. I'm going to do videos anyway, but I'm going to do the check-in video as far as this goal that I'm trying to reach. And another reason why I made this video is to let you guys know that you don't have to only be a CNA. It's certain things about you that's unique, that's only you have inside of you. God put that in you. You have a gift. And the Bible says your gift will make room for you. You can work your gift and work as a CNA. It's other things you can do other than be a CNA. You can work a CNA and on the side do the other thing, but you have to get in tune with what your thing is. What is your gift? What is your talent? And your talent may be being a CNA. It may be ministering to the people that's at your job, or the people that you take care of, your caregiver, your patients. That's what your gift may be, but you have to find out what your gift is. A lot of us get stuck in this position as a CNA, and that's all we do, and we don't do anything else, and we don't be living in purpose. It's time for us CNAs to live in purpose while being a CNA, not just working double shifts, not having time for our kids, only buying them things and taking them nice places. Life is not all about that. Life is about more things than that. So many different things. I can talk on so many different levels of how important other things is in life, but I ain't even gonna bore y'all with that. But bottom line, it's so many things that you can be doing, and I know it's somebody wanna go to school to do hair. You can literally do that. You wanna do hair on the side. You wanna make dinners. You wanna write a book. You wanna start your own business. It's so many things you guys wanna do, but you don't have time to do it. But you have to sacrifice some of your time as a CNA to get to the bottom of your life and what sets your soul on fire, what makes you happy when you're doing it that don't feel like a job. And it just may be CNA for some of y'all, but some of y'all it's not. Some of y'all doing this for a check and to be able to provide for your children. I get it, I understand it, but in the pit of your soul, in the pit of your stomach, you know it's something else you want to be doing. And you can do that while you are CNA. I'm sure of it. I literally wrote 5 books from this job right here, bringing my laptop to work on my phone. I literally wrote 5 books in the last year as a CNA. And I know if I put my mind to my plan and pray about it and make sure that God is in it and I'm not leaving God out, I will be successful at whatever I do. So I'm not worried about that. So I had to share this with you guys to let you guys know that it is time to live in our purpose as a CNA. And also at the end of the month, when I'm done with this, at the end of the year, when I'm done with this goal that I am about to complete, and I will be a successful entrepreneur at the end of this year. This year's going to be epic for me. I'm speaking this in my life. Right now, I'm speaking to the universe, and the universe is going to give me what I'm telling it I'm coming for, because I'm finna come for it with all that I have. I'm going to be a successful author, entrepreneur, businesswoman. And I'm going to write a book titled CNA to Entrepreneur, CNA on the Move. Y'all know that's my hashtag. You'll see me use Instagram. I used to post it a lot, CNA on the Move. That is my hashtag, my personal hashtag. It's CNA on the Move. CNA on the Move means to me, I'm a CNA, but I'm on a move to do something else. And I made this up maybe 5 or 6 years ago. I don't even know what it meant. I just had became this was my like 4th business, and I just said CNA on the move. I don't know what made me say that, and I don't understand what it meant, but today I know what it means. I'm a CNA that's on the move to do great things, and I want you guys to do some great things with me, and we hold hands as CNAs and still be CNAs, still support other CNAs, still get in there and do your double shift, still get in there and do your job. But when you're on the outside of this, you are a successful author, you are a successful baker, you are a successful hairstylist, you are a successful designer, but you still do CNA on this. You still do CNA too. It's so many things that you guys want to do, and you can do it. You just need a little drive. You need a little motivation. So, y'all, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so y'all can be in tune with this CNA challenge I'm giving myself. A 9-month plan and a goal to reach some things for a higher purpose. So do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please share in a couple of CNA groups. Let's get it, y'all. Y'all enjoy y'all weekend.